The fine folks at Cecarol were gracious enough to send me this wood pellet tabletop grill. I'm going to unbox it. We're going to take a look at it. So, stick around. There it is, all put together. Handles right here on this side. Handles right here in the front, the cooking chamber, and then right here, handle on the other side. Now let's take a look inside. There's your auger right there. It's going to push in the pellets down. Here's your fire pot right here. And with this right here, you see the screw. You can unscrew it and remove it if you got any ashes, leftover pellets. There's your hot rod right there. Let me unscrew it and we'll see what it looks like. Alright, let's remove it. There it is. There's a better view of the hot rod. So let's put this back. This is the location of your temp probe right there, just below where the top rack would be at. So obviously it's going to give you on here on your LED screen the temperature inside your smoker. There's your grease trap, and this is where it goes like that, just like that. So when you empty out, hold like that. Let's check out the pellet hopper. It is a 13-pound pellet hopper. So that's what it looks like inside. You can see right there, part of your auger down there. You see. It is a screw. Just screw it on and that's it. Now let's look towards the back. Let's close this down. Right here is where you're going to have your vents. So all your smoke's going to come out from your pellets right there. And then your 6-foot extension cord right here. And right here, this is all where your motor is in and the auger. And here are your wheels. Lock right in. It's nice, right? It won't move. On this side right here, you have your screen. It's an LED screen. It can go up to max to 450 on the temp. Smoke, I believe, is 180 to 200. Your power button, prime button, and your P-set. And then for your probe. And it does come with the probe. Here's the probe. Right in. And it does have right here to help keep in the smoke, your gasket. It's nice. And what's nice about this too is how it locks in like that. It keeps it in one place. Pellet hopper and the cooking chamber are separate from each other, so you can easily just go if you need to check your pellets. See how everything's looking inside. Alright, let's put the inside together so you can see what it looks like. Here's your grease tray. It is heavy duty. You see this part's also welded in, another heavy duty part to keep it from bending with all due to the heat. Place it in like that, and it is designed to go down at an angle so all the grease can go into your grease trap. Here is your cooking grate. 250 square feet of cooking space right there, which also includes your warming rack, your top rack. Goes in just like that. And then they are post-it coated. Want to help? was just a rundown of this tabletop pellet smoker right here. I think it looks fantastic. It's heavy. The box came out on the description was 66 pounds, but it's rated at 57 pounds, so it got some weight to it. I'm going to be excited to cook on it, and then I will give my official review on this tabletop pellet smoker by Cecarol. So look forward to that. Until the next one, folks. Smoke on, everyone.